my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all, and it is for the week of July 17th through the 23rd. I'm going to be doing a couple different things. So I have this scrapbook page that I'm going to use the Happy Planner Punch and Punch few boxes out. And then I'm going to be using some washi and some black and white sticker book from the Happy Planner. So bear with me as I punch these. And welcome to my channel if this is your first time. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend more time with me. I really appreciate you. So I'm going to cut one more box, I think, because I don't like it to be exactly the same on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is do 5, so 3 on one side, 2 on the other. Kind of fun. They're not exactly the size of the box because the boxes used to be slightly smaller. The lines were much thicker, but I do have also this beautiful washi tape. Look at this. It's completely black and white. It's super glossy. It's all about the roses, kind of vintage. So that's what I'm going to be using as well. So lots of things happening in here today, and I'm super excited. I'm going to go ahead and use this box. Actually, I think I want the gold one because of the scrapbook paper. So black with gold stripes. And my sidebar, as always, my to-do list for the week. And I'm going to be using some boxes as well. And I'm just picking the boxes that I need. And then as I do that, I'm going to go ahead and place down my scrapbook paper. So that's going to be the first thing. These designs with the gold vein in them are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to start with the lower corner. Do you see how it doesn't match up with the box completely, but good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then other side, same thing. I do want it in the corner, so I'm going to keep it in there, and I'm going to kind of play with the placement of this. I really, really love the veins and the multitude of grays in this. So I have a full scrapbook, little sheet 6x6, or 24 sheets, I should say, and I'm going to be using them more and more in my spreads. I want to use a multitude of media, so then it will give you guys ideas. So I'm going to be upping my game a little bit here. I'm going to place some boxes on top of this, and I think that's going to work well too. So kind of bring in the focus, because I am very focused on these. So this way the focus will be right there, and then whatever is in the box, right? So that could be Saturday and then Sunday. Yep, okay, like so. So that's good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add more stuff. I need some checklists for sure in between, and some larger boxes and some little boxes for my work schedule. So there's still plenty of things that I need to add to the spread. So we're gonna start with the small boxes. I think I want a little too down though. And let me use tweezers. Maybe this way I can put it straight, huh? Like so. That works. So this will be my work schedule. And then Wednesday. Perfect. So all the days that I'm working have a schedule down, which is perfect. And then checklist. So I'm going to use couple checklists, couple boxes, and then we'll go from there. It's going to be a multitude of things. And put a box right there. And then I'm just going to draw lines in those, and those will become my to-do list. Yeah, I think that works pretty well. So as you can see, I did a little bit of the decorating at first, but then mostly I focus on my function and my functional stickers. And then at the end where I have spaces left, I will go ahead and fill those up with decoration. So that's kind of how my mind works as far as planning and decorating, in case you were curious to see what my brain does. Okay, so I need, maybe I can use like one of those smaller checklists for Tuesday, and hopefully I won't have as much to do those days. Perfect. And then Saturday. So Saturday is a super, super exciting day for us. We're picking up our brand new puppy. I am beyond excited and absolutely in love with the puppy that we don't have yet, but it is going to be a Westie, and of course, I'm already crazy about it. This dog is beyond spoiled, and it isn't even in our home yet. Okay, so going back to the spread with the exciting news, I'm gonna use a few of these stickers. I thought these are cut out, but they're not. So I'm gonna just cut them out really quickly, and we'll layer them in the spread, and I think that's gonna look pretty good. So let me grab my scissors. I'm gonna use my tiny little stork scissors. The blue and yellow ones, yes, I like them a lot. I think they're very, very comfy. And like outside of these stickers being really, really pretty, I found them really hard to peel the backing. So you will see that in a second. I'm just gonna do my best and cut around this to the best of my ability and try to peel it. And then I want it to sit kind of like that and be layered. So let's go ahead and do that. Like I said, I'm just gonna cut off the part that is sticking out too much so I can still write. And then I'm trying to open the backing, and you can see how long it's taking me because it's not the easiest. So I'm really struggling here. Okay, I almost got it. There, I got it. So now I can go ahead and put it right there. So then I can still write up there. I might cut off that little top part, to be honest, depending on how much space I'm gonna need to write. But if my needs exceed the 4 dots or 4 bullet points, I am going to be cutting off that top part. Okay, so I cut this rose in half with like a lace underneath, and then I'm gonna open it and put it on the side of the box. I think that's gonna look very, very beautiful. So let's go ahead and do that. Like so. Look how pretty these are. I really do like them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open the other side and also place it down. So this pad tape is from AliExpress. It's something I purchased. They don't give you a lot of it, but again, you don't need a lot of stickers to make a spread, especially you don't want them to be on repeat forever, because how many times do you use the same stickers to make a spread if they're not functional but decorative, right? So I think that was the perfect solution for me to have a pretty small stash like that. Yes, I'm still trying to open up this sticker, you guys. I am struggling so hard. I think I got it. We're gonna place it right there. Look how pretty. And then these little words, there's a rose. I have a couple of little quotes that I'm gonna add as well. So one says rose, and it's kind of in a vertical way, and it looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here. And my nails, I know they stand out so much with that color against all of the nudes, so but I couldn't help it. I was doing green, and there's nothing that would have stopped me, to be honest. And plus, I didn't know what kind of spreads I'm going to be making. And usually for the summer, I do make them a little bit more colorful. So I thought it won't be as bad, but these stand out so bad. And then this is rose too with the little butterfly. And then that's pretty much it. I think I am good. Oh, maybe let's add one more. That white one is gorgeous. So I'm just going to cut this one off too. But the white one is pretty, and that's what I want to use. So let me quickly put this away. And that can go on Sunday. And then I kind of want to add something to that sidebar as well, because it's bugging me how that space is right there. So I might add one more box. And then that's pretty much it. I hope you guys had fun watching this. I know it's a little bit different, but I really enjoyed making it with you. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!